In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Lineage Shard in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to acquire and how to use the Lineage Shard. This item is used to wipe your current character and reroll your race. It is an alternative if you don't want to spend Robux to reroll your race. Keep in mind that this can only be used on a level 20 and above character. And the Lineage Shard is also required for obtaining the Reaper enchant. So, all that you have to do to actually use it is to open your inventory and equip it from there. Once you are holding the Lineage Shard, go ahead and click to use it. You will then be able to wipe your character and reroll your race. Now, when it comes to obtaining the Lineage Shard, there are various ways to get it. First, you will be able to purchase it from the Mysterious Merchant. Usually, it goes from 3,600 gold to 4,400 in normal mode. If you are playing on hard or legendary, this might be more expensive. It can also be obtained as a boss drop from the dragon Yar tool. Next, while Cursed Skies are active, you can obtain it from any creature with a small chance, so look out for Cursed Skies. And it can be obtained through a present during the Solstice of Light event, and finally from golems during Corrupted Skies, like I mentioned. So get it through any of these methods, whatever you prefer, and you will be able to equip and use the Lineage Shard. It's as simple as opening up your inventory, dragging it into your hotbar, and using it. You will then be able to wipe your character and reroll the race. Sadly, I don't have footage to demonstrate how this looks on screen, but as long as you are used when you are at level 20 and above, while equipped, you will be able to see all of the options related to rerolling and wiping your character. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Lineage Shard in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.